y'all, welcome back. If this is your first time, welcome. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the 35B palette by Morphe in collaboration with Lisa Frank. So to get started, I prime my eyes using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Chestnut. Then I took my Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Translucent to set my eyes. Alright, so here's the packaging. It's super cute and shiny, and it's like a book kind of, like it has a magnet that helps keeps it closed. And I really like that. So for packaging, they get a 10 out of 10. Okay, so we're gonna just go right into that purple shade, that middle purple shade right there. And I'm just gonna pack that on the outer corners. Do you see how bright that purple is while it's on the brush? But as soon as I applied it, it disappeared. Just to be fair, I used another brush and it worked out way better and picked up more product than the other brush that I was using did. But another thing I found out is that these eyeshadows do not blend. If you attempt to blend these eyeshadows and not just stamp them on, they will literally disappear off your face, okay? I mean, I'm just saying, like, not to talk down on the palette, but you can't blend any of these shadows into each other. Like, I really want to see someone do it because it's literally impossible. I don't know if maybe it's because of the concealer that I used, or maybe I should have used the eye primer or a white base, but this, I don't like it. Like, I don't like it. I literally had to keep packing on the color just for it to be vibrant, because it seemed like it disappeared after it sat on my eyelids for a while. And I couldn't understand that, but okay, I'm pushing along with the video. Okay, so now we're gonna go into this hot pink shade that's in the palette. Now I'm just gonna go in with that orange color and I'm trying to make it work, you guys. Like, this is a struggle. Like, I don't think I like this palette. I wanted to like it so much, but I don't think I like it. Not to try to blend and create real blended, seamless looks. No. If you just wanted a wash of color, then just pack it all over the lid, then by all means, this is for you. But this palette doesn't blend very well, like at all, basically. It could have been just the concealer that I use, or maybe an error on my behalf, but I don't really care for this. Like, the colors are real pretty though once you pack them on about 1,000 times. And don't swipe, because then you're gonna lose all the packing that you just did. So yeah, unfortunately, this is gonna be a no for me. Like, I wouldn't grab this palette on an everyday basis, but once you pack it on, you can see the color. But I don't, who has time for that? Don't nobody have time to be packing on eyeshadow just for the fade as soon as you get finished packing it on. Like, no. Okay, so now I'm just packing that yellow all over the inner corners of my eyelids. Morphe has better yellows than this, like in different palettes. Like, I don't understand. Like, I don't know the formula of this or whatever it is going on, but I don't like it. It disappeared, it became patchy, and then without you being able to blend it out, it just was a bunch of pigment everywhere, all over my shirt, all over my desk, my hands, the brushes, everything. It was just I don't know. I'm trying to pull it together, but now looking at it, as I'm looking back on the video, I was like, what is going on? I know I wasn't tripping. Like, I literally thought I was tripping when I filmed this video. Like, why, if it just looked one way, why in 5 seconds it's looking another way? And it was I tried to make it work, y'all. I tried to make it work. Okay, so this is me trying to attempt to blend this out and shape everything and clean everything up. Okay, so I'm just going to dip back into the palette and get that purple shimmery shade, and I'm going to put that all in my inner corner. Okay, so my thoughts on this palette, I really don't care for it. I would just get it just to have in a collection, like that's it. The look came together in the end, but I don't really like the formula, the blendability, the patchiness, the fallout. Like, I don't like any of that. So I'm glad I bought it because it's like a staple in most of our childhood. Do you guys plan on getting this palette? Or if you have this palette, let me know down in the comment section. How did it work out for you? Because at this point, I don't know how to feel about this palette. In the end, I guess I pulled it together as much as I could, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.